Well, check this out for a little weekend run. Chattanooga to Nashville, all the way over here to Fife, Washington. 2,534 miles. Got to be there Tuesday morning, 10 a.m. local. So today is Thursday, and it is, as you can see, it's almost 5 o'clock Eastern. We're currently here in Nashville, so it's 4 o'clock Central, and our load is not being finished loaded yet, which is all cool. We are now on the clock collecting detention pay, which is a really good rate. So that helps. So as long as we get a good start on Friday morning, we will make, because all we got is about 2,400 miles left from right here, and we'll make that 2,400 by Tuesday morning easily. We should be sitting there Monday night if we don't trash around and delay too much. That's only a 600 mile a day. Piece of cake. We got Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday to do it. So it should be a really awesome weekend. I never thought I could go up here again, but I see this little state right here, Oregon. I don't have the bond for Oregon. Ida told me there's a $2,000 bond. I have not researched that myself. However, I did research the permit it would take me to get so I could cross through Oregon. So if we get up here to Fife and we unload and we reload, if we get loaded, it takes us down to California through Oregon. Then I can buy a 10-day permit for $43. Plus their 3 cent per mile tax, I think it is. I think it's 3 cents a mile. We'll have to figure that into the rate. So whatever we get from here to there is going to pay some money. You'd have to cover that fee. So hopefully we'll get a load coming out of Washington going right back. It'll probably be cheaper, on the cheaper side, and we knew that going in. We're going to make a lot more money staying over here, working. But we want to stretch our legs for the weekend, so we are going to stretch our legs. So there you go. So we'll see you guys along the way. Hope you enjoy the journey. Stay tuned. Well, we at a rest area here in top of Mount Eagle. Getting ready to start our epic journey to Seattle. Well, technically it's Fife. I'll do some X-rated video on today. The truck's dirty. But she's cleaner than most, but she's still dirty. Everybody's curious about this trailer. Trailer turned out okay, right? We got full sun on it. And as you can see, can't really see any swirl marks. I can see some lines in it, but this camera's not going to pick it up, You can tell she's had a wheel on it. So that'll probably eventually come out. A few more washings. Left my light on there. Turned my light on a while ago, make sure it's working. Gotta remember to turn it off. But, so we're going to take this thing to Seattle. Hopefully get it washed a time or two across through there. And, so we're going to go up here, make another pickup up here in Nashville. That picks up schedule 11. So we're going to get there about 10:30. We're going to stop and fuel this thing up at the TA. And go get her fueled up and get her ready to go. And should be a pretty epic journey. And we may try some outside camera work this time. I got the cheap camera. I'm getting charged. I'm going to put it out there on the mirror. Should be some epic footage. Epic. All right, let's get this show. Let's get this one horse show on the road. See you out there on the road. Oh yeah, I forgot we got Bonnaroo traffic coming up. So that's kind of why we stopped to take a bathroom break real fast, because we got Bonnaroo. Bonnaroo traffic is in force. So let's go play it. Well, Rants, I meant to show you guys. Anyway, we got loaded over here in Nashville. I meant to show you the IRP office. That's the international registration. Anyway, where I do my base plates and my fuel taxes. Might as well call it DMV for motor carrier. It was right across the road from where I picked my load up at, and when I filed my quarterly IFTA taxes, every quarter it doesn't ever pay, you know, and Tennessee's website is so behind times. Anyway, they've got that fixed now on this next quarter. Well, we will see. But when I do my IFTA taxes, you can't pay it online. You have to wait for them to send you a nasty gram in the mail. So, hey, you owe us X amount of money. You got 30 days to pay it. Well, I never got that letter. And so you had to drop your trailer in the dock, and Bob tailed off properties. I'm like, cool. Right across the street. And I went into the IRP office, and it took them about 5 minutes. I handed in my mileage sheet that I record at the end of the quarter. And so, hey, I filed this online, but I haven't made payment. I'd like to pay you guys some money. It took him about less than 5 minutes. I had the check written for $53.49, and out the door I went. It was like easy peasy, man. So I went back to the shipper and took a nap for about an hour. Got up and had some lunch. You know, we got 5 hours detention time out of that. I can't remember if Uber's is 55 or 85 an hour. I need to find the carrier pack and look at it. It's up there though, so this will be my first time collecting detention on an Uber load. So we'll see how it goes. And I got 4 hours left I can work on my clock today, so that'll get us into Kentucky. And we'll take a 10-hour break and then get up and start hitting it good tomorrow. So we got 2,410 miles to go. Today is Thursday, 1800 Central Time. So we'll run about 180 miles today, and we'll call her quits. Maybe 200 miles today. That'll give us 2,200 miles to go. Divide that by 4. Piece of cake, come on. All right, we'll see y'all on down the road. Hey guys, we got 4 or 5 of these SD cards going on. A lot of footage on this trip, so we lost some clips on the front end, but it's all good. We'll get back on track. So appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you on the next one. The next one is a video. We killed the beast. So we'll see y'all then. Have a good day.
When I'm not playing my bagpipes, I'm watching Life is Good. Come on now.
between them. Sure thing.